Righto, in your assignment, you need to be calculating the first 2 weeks of the savings. So you're going to have the savings account mimicked on Excel. You're also going to have the website savings calculators, but you need to just have some pen and paper calculations just for 2 weeks. Okay, so basically, this is just to demonstrate that you know what's going on and you're not just pressing buttons to find it out. Okay, so this is eventually going to be a screenshot, a photo that you import into the template. Okay, that's what we're looking at here. This is going to be part of your assignment. All right, so first of all, you need to have a starting amount that you are kicking off the account with. So, in class we've talked a lot about, maybe $500. That bit's not particularly important as long as it's realistic, okay? The bank interest rate, you need to go to the bank website to get that. All right, so you're not making this up. You go to the bank website and it's the same bank that you're using the bank calculator from. So let's say that's 3.77% per annum, okay? Your weekly deposit, you've already calculated that from your yearly income. You get the weekly income and then you get 25% of that as your savings, your weekly deposit. So let's say you've done that and it's $146, okay, your weekly deposit. Okay, so this is what you need to do, and it needs to actually mimic what's going on in your Excel, all right? So you've got interest equals P times R times T over 100. Now, T is time, which is 1 week. Okay, so I'll just do it over here. T is 1 week, but it's in terms of years, so it's 1 over 52 of a year. Now, if you just grab your calculator, 1 divided by 52, I'm going to call that 0.019. Okay, that's the number we're going to use for T. That's the fraction of a year that is 1 week. Okay, so R, the rate, that's that one there. P is what's in the account at the start of the week. All right, so for week 1, this is what's going on. We've got P is 500 times the rate, which is 3.77, times time, which is 0.019 over 100. So we got 500 times 3.77 times 0.019 divided by 100. All right, so that just round to 2 decimal places. That's $0.36. Now, what we need to know though is the balance at the end of the week. All right, so this is what's going on here. You've got that $500 that you started with. The bank then gives you this grand amount of interest, but then you transfer this out of your pay. So the balance is 500 plus 0.36 plus 146. You start off with that, bank gives you that, and then you transfer that. Okay, so that's going to be 500 plus 146 plus 0.36 is $646.36. All right, that's the first week done and dusted. Moving on to the second week. The principal that you've got in the second week is actually what you finish with here. This amount here rolls over into the second week and that becomes the principal. So I equals P times R times T over 100. So that's the principal, 646.36. Interest rate has not changed. Time has not changed. So P times R times T over 100. 646.36 times 3.77 times 0.019 divided by 100 It's about 46 cents now. Whoa, it's gone up 10 cents. Brilliant. Okay, and then the balance is the principal, which is 646.36, plus the interest, and I'm still plugging in 146 every week. For the first year, I'm putting in 146. So I go 646.36 plus 40.46 plus 146. Oh, the 6 is going on there. Ah, I just lost it. 646.36 plus 0.46 plus 146. So I've got $792.82. You need to do this neatly on a page, take a photo of it, and import it into your document of the template. And not only that, this number here, that number there, and that number there need to show up on your Excel. Okay, this needs to match what's on your Excel. Okay, all right, go and do it.